Time for some science explanation. Darling, do you think we should be doing some science yet? How much water do you think will fit on that penny, huh? Today we might find out. Pretty simple experiment here. Let me show you how it works. You just take this, put it in the water, lift it up. Got some water in the end of the straw. And if I squeeze that straw a little bit at a time, then I can get it to come out a drop at a time like that. So you could count the drops. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay, I'm gonna get some more water. See how that's like a pillow on top of that penny?
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh, it's gonna overflow. 14, 15.
1 cent, but 15 drops.
16, 17, 18, uh-oh, 19, 20,
Get a little closer here. Ready?
21, 22, 23, 24.
Oh, 24 drops. The 24th one did it. Now look at how much water is surrounding that penny. That was all on top of that penny. Next experiment involves a paper clip in a completely full glass of water. And this sinks. Well, let's see if I can get it to float.
Breathe. Okay, very, very gently. Look at that. Here, let me try and move it into the center. Okay, look at that. See? It's floating, darling. Can you see how it's floating?
Watch what happens if I touch it. And it sinks to the bottom. See? Now it's in the bottom. Well, how does it float and then sink?
It's science.
Science. It has to do with surface tension of the water. The water is made up of tiny particles that hold together.
Why won't it sink?
You see, both of these experiments, they show the same thing. That is that water molecules stick together. That's cohesive property of water. It has to do with the forces of the particles together. How much water can you fit on that penny? Okay, here. This has been an episode of Kitchen Table Science. I hope that it was helpful, and I hope that you enjoyed it.